Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty, back with another bang. Woo! What's happening? Hey, so check it out. Yo, so I was doing this challenge, man. I just wanted to see if I can flip 500 into 5 grand. So I already did I did that one challenge. What was it, like a 5 to 1,000? I probably did that. I was actually showing people how to flip their accounts, and you know, I went and broke the whole video down and stuff like that. But in this challenge in particular, I just wanted to challenge myself because a lot of people ask me, yo Ty, how can I trade US 30? How can I start with the indexes? And they always ask me, you know, how much money they should actually put inside the market. So for me, I'm like, man, you know, for like the Nasdaq, NAS 100, S&P, I always say like, man, like 150 to $200. And still, that's super light. That's not a lot of money, but I mean, it's super light. It's something you can play where you can 0.01 yourself to the finish line. But for like, not S&P, but for US 30, all right, so you're gonna need a little more leverage. You're gonna need something like, I tell people like $500 to $1,000. But see, the thing is, like, fuck just telling people about doing something without doing it, right? So first I told them, and then I went and did it. So on my phone, all right, like just like the last video, I'll pull up the results right here. You guys can see them, all right? So I flipped, okay, 500 into $6,100. All right, and you're like, wait, what? Like, yeah, 500, 6,100 took like a week, and the dates are right here on this phone, and on the video that I got right here, you can see the dates and stuff. And then we'll go back in and then actually look at the trades, so you can look at the trades. I'm gonna take you into my mind. We're just gonna do a little playback because I feel like showing you profit is one thing, and that's cool. But how about let's get into my mind and see what I saw. As you see, this is a live account. All right, this is on Hugo's way, a little buzz down account, nothing too crazy, $500 buzz down account. So I threw 5 in, and here's some of the trades I took. We're gonna start pausing it at some of these trades just so I can actually go in and then break the trades down. But here's some of the trades that I took. All right, so you see NAS 100, you see US 30, you see XPX5, you see German 30s in here, you know, so you see UK 100. So really, you just see a lot of like indexes and stuff like that. I like trading on the indexes. It's something that, you know, that's my personal preference. That's my personal preference, is what I like. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I trade on the indexes. So right here, like I said, here's the results. Here's the results. There's the deposit. There's everything right there. You guys seen this was a real account, and mind you, it was only 500 to 5,000 plus. Really, it's 500 to 6,000. So I did a profit of $5,644 in 1 week on this account. Now it's a little baby account. You know what I'm saying? Something real quick we can run up. But like I said, I feel like the shit needed to be done. You know what I'm saying? Just for the simple fact that I was bored. I already did the social experiment where I gave out free signals on Twitter. People were eating that shit up. I thought that was popping too. You know what I'm saying? And you already know I gotta stay fresh with the new J's. You dig? But let's get it. But hey, furthermore, let's hop right over here. Okay, on the computer, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. You're like, yo man, you gonna turn on the computer? So really just gotta click my mouse on. Once I click my mouse on, everything will load up and stuff. And then what we'll do is we'll go here and just really switch to this screen over here. So you see in the video, you're gonna be like, oh man, he's gonna cut the screen. And yeah, I am gonna cut the screen. All right, so on this screen right here, I got, what is this? Japan 225. All right, so like the Japanese index. All right, so you guys can go in with this with me as well. Like I said, I'll be breaking everything down. So just stick with me and I got you. Get it! What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Okay, so check it. So we're gonna just get right into some of these trades and really just check out, you know, some of these trades and really talk about them. So the first one we're gonna talk about is this US 30 buy. The price I got in at, that was the first trade on this account. The price I got in at was 23,417.89. So let's go over to US 30. All right, I already had these tagged up for you. So let's go ahead and erase one. So here it is right here. What is that? 23,417.8. What is that? 0.89, but I was only able to do 0.7 on this one. I mean, but same thing. You should be good. You know what I'm saying? You guys should be good and be able to read. All right, so now why'd I get in? Okay, so let me explain. Let's go ahead and delete all this. Well, let's just delete everything. So initially, even if nothing was on the chart, I read this right here, and you would probably think, oh man, it's a bunch of dojis, nothing's really going on. For me, I know that the market was at the bottom of the market, so support was smacking this area and it was not breaking through to the downside, right? So let's run it back. Boom. So here we are. Support was not breaking down through to the downside on the 4-hour chart. Okay, price looked a little bit different. What I mean is that's how price looked on the 4-hour chart. So initially, price was just banking off this support right here, and I'm just like, shit. I bought it because I'm like, well, if price can't break through, then this must be support. And what do you do at support? You usually buy at support and you usually sell at resistance. So I mean, with those rules, I just bought at support. Okay, and you're like, well, what did you wait for? What did you wait for entry? How did you enter? Well, I enter my trades like I tell you guys all the time on the 5-minute. But the thing is, I feel like a lot of people, you're looking for all these different confirmations to enter. And I mean, that's dope and all, but once you are sure, you just take the shot. But what's stopping a lot of people from taking a shot is you're trying to bring too much into the market, meaning you're over analyzing it. Okay, you see it and then you don't shoot the ball. But it's just like a basketball player, they see a shot, they shoot. Like they're not sitting there like, well, should I shoot it? Should I go over here? Just like it's instinct. So you got to kind of instinctively just be able to take that shot. You know what I'm saying? Stay taking the shots. You feel me? Let's get it. So that's why I took that trade. We bought it off support, and then they moved up only 80 points. So on the Dow, 80 points is like a dollar a pip. So I was able to get $82 off that trade. The next trade was 23,449. All right, this is still in US 30. It's 23,449. All right, here it is right there. All right, 23,449. All right, that only did a few pips. It did 70 pips. All right, you like 70? Yeah, it wasn't, like I said, it's $1 per pip, $1 per pip per point. So $1 per pip per point means basically every time the Dow moves 1 point, that's $1. Okay, if it moves 100 points, that's $100. If you got a bigger account, that's on a 0.01. If you got a bigger account on a 0.10, that's not just 100, that's 1,000 now. If you got a 1 lot, that's not 1,000, that's 10,000. You feel me? So like I said, it's very, very lucrative. All right, now this bitch does whipsaw back and forth, so you got to really know how to trade if you're gonna fuck with these indexes. All right, but long term, I always feel like long term, this is a very solid pair. It's a very solid way that you should be really look into trading. You know, just if you're looking long term, you want to just be able to manage your money and let your money work for you, then you don't, I mean, some people come in and scalp, but I don't necessarily even see that you have to come in and scalp. You can just set a trade in long term and let that bitch ride. You know what I'm saying? That's what these pairs allow you to do long term. Okay, because mind you, they are the indexes, so it's like this is the Dow Jones. Okay, so moving on. All right, let's go to a NAS 100. All right, let's get us a NAS 100 buy. See one of these NAS 100 buys real quick while we switch charts to NAS 100. NAS 100 still bulls. If you checked any of my markups, you see I do expect it to come to this 9748 area. All right, I do expect it to come up there. All right, when? I don't think it's going to be today, but this week it should slowly, gradually work its way up. Or what if it's not this week? Maybe it takes 2 or 3 weeks, but eventually it's going to slowly, gradually work itself up. All right, so now let's just check some of these trades. All right, so NAS 100, the first one was 8843, and then the second one was 8870. So let's go and check out that 8843, 88. This is 86, and this is 88. What date was that? This was on May 5th. So let me go to May 5th, May 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. All right, 88. Here it is, 8833, 8843, right here. Boom. So let me go ahead and put a price label on that shit. 884. Boom. You dig? All right, so there it is right there. So then you're like, well, what did you see here? All right, so let's just go into 1 hour, right? Not even on the 4 hour. All right, so on the 1 hour, kind of the same thing. And then you see this candlestick that came and smacked me. That was because shit, you can actually see the trailing stop in this joint too. Or did I just close it? Oh no, trailing stopped. For sure. I mean, that's what it is. Shit, easy bread. Let's run it though. All right. So that one went up to the 884. That one went up 82 pips. All right, so 8843. So this one, the first one I took, I maybe put like 3 trades in here because this is NAS. So I mean, I just kind of got cracking, was like, fuck it. All right, so I put 3 trades in this one at that time. So I did the first initial one was like $19 off of that. Didn't really make nothing off that. And then I got in again at 8870. All right, and then did 105 off of that. So let's do that, 8870. It's like right here, boom. So I got in initially, and then you see how this red candlestick came right here. So let me read this red candlestick came right here. So I guess I closed the trade because it doesn't have the red. The red would show that it had the trailing stop. So the red's not on here. All right, but I just manually closed that one, and then I guess when it hit 105, I manually closed the other one too. And I'm saying I guess because shit, this was fucking May 5th, 6 days ago. You know what I'm saying? I trade every day, and this is a little fucking burner account, so I ain't really like I am not really fucking with this shit like this. You know what I'm saying? This is just some little baby account, and I just wanted to run it up for the purpose of just, can I do this shit? Yes or no? You know? All right, so that's that. All right. That one went from 8870 to 896. So that is from 8870. That's this right here to 8896. Or 8976. All right, 8976. Where's that? 8976. All right. And I guess this little doji next to it right here, you see how there's a doji right here, so let's zoom in. Bring you over here. You see this little doji right here? So this was the doji that took me out of that trade. I had a trailing stop in, so for sure, that's what took me out of the trade. So a lot of you probably like, yo, I mean, you want to like peek into the trading styles and peek into the lifestyle and all that, but really a lot of this comes and stems from me just literally waiting. I'm really good at waiting. I'm really good at, you know, playing the waiting game. So this is what it is. I could throw trend lines on here if you want. Like some people, they would have the, you know, the whole little trend line or whatever. And if I wanted to, I could make it a little bit tighter. You know what I'm saying? Just to get it closer to where we got some more action at. I could even cut it through and say these are false breaks. You know what I'm saying? And literally just play it off this line like that if I wanted to. Mind you, this is the 4. All right, so let's delete this. Boom. Delete this. Boom. Now this is the 4 hour, so that's why it looks like that. All right. So I literally could just play it through its channel. The next point, if we keep going, if we keep getting to this, the top of the channel, it's gonna be like 94, 90, 9500. You know what I'm saying? So just literally, shit. That's what you see in today. So people are buying. We've been buying this shit all morning. Okay. Go ahead and refresh. All right. So this was 10 minutes ago. All right. So he got shit. Made 2K after the bounce off support. So when I was like, oh man, price bounce off support, that's what I'm talking about. So bro made $2 grand off of just literally bouncing off support on the NAS 100 or the Nasdaq. The price he got in at was 9136. So we go over here, all right, which was right here. So he got, this is 9130 that I'm on right now. You see the support right here? Boom. So that's where it's showing 38, but we got in super early. So I sent the shit out this morning. Hey, prices at support. Index is about to be bulls, and people were able to take that trade, and we've been profitable all this morning. So if you guys want to know more, literally just go over to Twitter. I got everything right here on the Twitter, man. So if you're like, yo man, I just want to see, you know, if you guys can really get off like Trade Gang lit. So literally just come to the Twitter. All right, come to the Twitter. This is what's gonna get you right to come to the Twitter and shit, tune in. We giving out signals, ideas, trade ideas. It's really like a community. It's really dope to see how the community is actively engaging. It's like a Telegram but on Twitter. This is crazy, you know. But nonetheless, let's keep this thing running. Let's keep the show running. We're gonna have a $1,000 giveaway where we'll be giving a $100. We'll give $100 to 10 different people. You guys can go get gas, food, or throw that into your trading account. Really, it's so you guys can throw it into your trading accounts, you know. But me and Nico Sisa, all right, we're gonna be going ahead and giving you guys, like I said, that chance to be a part of that giveaway. So just stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. A lot of big things coming. All right, now it's your boy Ty, and I'm out.